Hi, myself Shayukta. Welcome you to my channel Alaukik, the learning space. Are you want the same heading while printing on each page? Like this? Then just check this video how we do this. If we have a big spreadsheet and want to print, then in print preview we will see that the heading appear only on the first page. The second page does not have the heading. Fine. So in that case, what we will do? Just go to page layout, then go to print title, select the row which you want to appear as heading and check the print preview. You will see the second page also has the same heading. Check the third one, it also has the same heading. Like this, we can adjust the heading on each and every page while printing. I hope you have understood this topic. In case of any doubt, please write in comment box. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.